All right, so let's take a look here at the third game of the October 2013 LSAT, which gave some students some trouble here. It tells us that we have exactly 5 movies that are being shown at a theater. We have horror film, mystery, romance, sci-fi, and western. Each of these movies is shown exactly once on one of the theater's 3 screens, screens 1, 2, and 3. So we have 3 screens, 1, 2, and 3. It then tells us that theater 1 and 2 are showing 2 movies each at 7 and 9, and theater 3 is showing exactly one at 8. So you notice we have 3 different times, 7, 8, and 9. We know that theaters 1 and 2 are showing 7 and 9, whereas theater 3 is only showing 8. Alright, so now let's turn our attention to the conditions. The first condition tells us that the western begins at some time before the horror film does. So western comes before horror. Well, we know that horror can't be in 7 then, and we know that western can't be shown at 9. Our second condition tells us the sci-fi film is not shown on screen 3. So sci-fi is not on screen 3, which effectively tells us that sci-fi is going to be on 1 or 2. Our third condition tells us romance is not on screen 2. So romance is not on screen 2. Again, telling us romance is going to appear on either 1 or 3. And our fourth and final condition here tells us that the horror film and mystery are shown on different screens. So we know that H and M here cannot be on the same screen. And that would be the setup for this game. So now let's be very aggressive with these rules. Turning our attention to the questions here,